So last bit. Let's try this. There's no one here. I don't know. I can check it. This right here. We can. Oh my god, my first. I'm gonna get chicken. Thank you. There's a mirror here. These are big servings. Let's go. We're leaving Myeongdong. We're leaving Seoul. We're heading to the metro stations para bumili tayo ng ticket to the airport. So it's really good day kasi although mainit siya, mahangin, kaya hindi overdress tayo ngayon. Kasi may sweater na, may long sleeve pa, may jacket pa. So, but here we are. Slowly but surely. Good thing umalis ako medyo maaga kasi ang medyo madaming tao ngayon. Kaya mabagal tayo. Ang bagal din nilang maglakad. Medyo nag-aalo. Hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin. But here's my luggage. Tulak-tulak natin to hanggang Japan. I think I'm in the right way. Punta tayo ng Myeongdong exit 6. At saka may bit-bit akong chicken. Mga leftovers sa chicken, binit-bit ko na. Para kainin mamayang gabi. Kasi magsa-stay over tayo sa airport. May tumatawag ba sa akin? We'll see. Alright, so from here sa Myeongdong Station, exit 7 and exit 8. Diba? Dito lang yun sa malapit sa North Face. Sa harapan yung North Face. So from exit 8, punta tayo ng exit 6. Kasi doon tayo bibili ng ticket. And that's where it's at. This is Subway Line 4. Ewan kung tama ba yung dapat line 1 tayo, di ba? Sabi Subway Line 4. Hindi ko alam. Pero bibili tayo ng ticket dito. Kasi may option siya puntang Gimpo. Unless punta tayo ng line 1. I'm not sure. Okay. Pero dito, maganda dito mag-shopping. May makikita kang mura. Hindi na ako bibili kasi mabigat na yung luggage ko. So, malapit na tayo sa exit 6. Doon yung machine. So, dandahan na tayo kasi si Lula nasa harapan natin. Here, medyo mainit siya. Siyang gano'n. So, Sabado ngayon kaya mabuti na yung maaga tayo kasi late. So, bili tayo ng ticket dito. Here. More work for that.
Select a single journey ticket and the number of tickets you wish to purchase. Insert. General ticket being issued. Please wait a few moments. Please check the change.
Then we got a ticket. So yeah, we got a card. So we're able to get a card, and from line 4 sabi nila, pwede kang pumunta ng Seoul Station then transfer to train railroad. So ganun. So 2 stops from here sa may exit 6 kung saan dito din tayo bumili ng ticket. And this is considered like line 4, but this station or this train that stops here goes to Seoul Station as well. So bababa tayo ng Seoul Station, then transfer tayo ng train railroad. Okay, daki. So Seoul Station. Yan. Hindi ko alam. Basta line 4. But we're going, for sure we're gonna get there. Sasamahan natin sila, yung may mga luggage. Mamaya. So, mga walang luggage nasa kaliwa. Dahil may luggage siya, nasa kanan tayo. Ang init super. And there is still. Ang dami. So line 4, 2 stops. And we transfer. nakalagay kung saan yung pupunta. So we're on the other side of line. We're going this way. Kasi dito yung pupunta ng Seoul.